Hey everyone, Adrienne here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. I am coming outside. Ooh, my hair is a mess. I'm coming outside to give you guys a quick update on my Growing Groceries 2025. Um, I chose the Scotia tomato and the Marconi Rosso pepper. Okay, so I have tried 3, maybe 4 times to germinate these seeds, and I have had no luck. So the first time I direct sowed them here, and then I came back again, planted more seeds, and still nothing. This was the tomato seed. Usually tomatoes are, you know what I mean, they germinate without any help. And then Jimmy Nardello peppers, and I don't see, well, I don't know if that's a, no, I don't think that's a pepper. So I don't know. Let me take this off. This was the Tromboncino squash, but it's pretty nice today. It's really nice today, actually. So Tromboncino squash is doing great, and that's about it. The seeds that I got from Jennifer Ocean Homestead, having a little bit of an issue germinating them. So I've direct sowed them twice, and no luck there. Look at that beautiful radish. Have to get that one out. Tromboncino squash obviously is doing great, but nothing on the direct sown peppers or tomato. So over here I have some pots, some little starter pots, I guess you could call them, and I think I started some of them in these little pots. Oh no, yeah, right here is a Marconi Rossi. So still nothing there. Scotia tomato. I don't know if that's a sign of a tomato or if that's something else, but actually nothing in these pots is germinating right here. So this is my second attempt with the paper towel. Okay, I finally have 2 seeds that have germinated for the Scotia tomato, so I'll get those planted. Let's check the peppers. Marconi pepper, no real signs of germination there. These are Jimmy Nardello, and unfortunately no real signs of germination on these ones either. So I originally planned to put those tomatoes here, one here on this end and then one on the other end. So the 2 that have germinated, I'm just gonna go ahead and get those put in here. I'm gonna put one on this side and I'm gonna put one on the other side. All right, so I got one in here and I got one on the other side. We'll see what happens. So The 2 tromboncinos are doing great. I've finally got 2 of the Scotia tomatoes to germinate in the paper towel, so I've planted those. Neither of the peppers have germinated in the direct sown method nor in the paper towel method, and the other pots, the small pots. So that's the update on the Growing Groceries 2025. I have basically just germinated the 2 tomatoes, the 2 tromboncino squash. The rest, I didn't plant the calendula, and I did start those radishes, but I started them in those little peat pellets because I wanted to get them out in the outside of the garden. But I just wanted to germinate them in the peat pellets, and I didn't notice. I do have one. Look at that. This is the mammoth radish. So this will get planted right now. We won't delay at all. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to plant this. All right, so over here I have set up an area that I have my spaghetti squash growing in. And I put this little dog pen, I guess you could say, around it so that I could protect it from anything that might want to munch on it. As far as critters are concerned, insects, that's a different story. So this little guy, well, I should say this big guy is going to go in here somewhere. And I am going to get this watered because it looks a little dry today. But I just did this yesterday, so underneath that straw should be pretty moist and pretty wet. But just in the outer areas, it does look a little dry. But he's going to go in here. Alright guys, that's it for the update on Growing Groceries 2025. That was pretty much all I had that was germinated, that was growing. But I'm not giving up. I'm still working on germinating those peppers. So I guess we'll see if we get any of those paper towels or those starter pots to produce anything. All right, guys, that's it. Till next time. The more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.